Hello guys, we are going to buy Instagram followers today. So we start by going to the website prmoted or promoted.com and sign up. That's if you don't have an account. If you have an account, you just log in by using your email and your password. So after signing up, we would get access to our dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks like. But first, to place an order, we need to add funds. So we click to add funds. Then we input the amount we need. For this video's purpose, I'm going to add an amount of 150 cedis. You can add, the minimum you can add is 20 cedis. But for this video's purpose, I'm going to do 150 cedis. Yes, so we can see that the 150 cedis has been deposited into my account. So now we click on place order. As you click on place order, we have to go through the categories and choose Instagram followers. So through the categories, you find so many services, but we choose Instagram followers because that's what we're after today. Then you go to the order service toggle to and choose what you want. So you have two different types. We have foreign followers, which costs 30 cedis, and Instagram followers Ghana, which also costs 150 cedis. So it says put profile link, not post link. So the link box over here, we need to put in our Instagram profile link. A lot of people have difficulty with the profile link. So I'm going to show you how the format should be. So the format is shown on your screen right now, where you just have to replace username with your actual username. So for this video's purpose, let's assume my Instagram username is Kweku Ghana. So this is how it is going to look like. So the quantity, I also input 1,000. For this particular service, the minimum you can buy is 1,000. We don't do less than 1,000 for the Ghanaian followers. So after that, you just click place order. But for the other one, which is for the foreign Instagram followers, the minimum amount is 10. So you can do 10, you can do 20, you can do 100,000. Like you can do as much as you want. Yes, it's as easy as that, and you just click place order. But for the purpose of this, okay, so yeah, another thing. So for the link, you can also put just your username. That one is also going to work. So either you put a link or your username is going to work. So you just put the amount there, then you click place order to complete your order. But for this particular video, since the purpose is to buy Ghanaian followers, let's stick to that. Then the total charge there is shown as 150 cedis. Then we click place order. That is it. As simple as that. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions,